going through that, yung phone ko would not stop ringing. There was this one person who was not my friend. Okay? It was just
Random.
some random musician I met on Kumu app when I was doing Kumu. He goes by the name of Destiny. Hello, Destiny. And sa kulit niya, pinick up ko na hindi na rin ako mamamatay eh. Sabi ko, hindi
Pero
na rin-
naka-live ka nun.
Hindi, tapos na yung
At
live
tapos
ko
na yung live mo.
nun.
Okay.
Tapos na yung live
So you
ko
picked up the
nun.
phone and?
And I'm like, what? And then he's like, ate, kasama ko si Mrs. Nakamotor na kami. Asan ka po? Asan ka po?
Hindi kayo
Pupunta-
makakilala.
Hindi kami magkakilala personally.
Okay.
Sa Kumu lang
Oo.
na nakipag-jam, ganyan. And so, dahil sa kakakulit niya, I told him where I am. Kinalma niya ako, pinakain niya ako. And then binigyan niya pa ako ng money para maka-check-in, para makatulog kahit isang araw. And then, naging series of strangers in my life at that time, just contacting me on Facebook, that just kept sending help. Na, dito ka muna sa amin, hindi ko kilala yung mga tao, hindi namin kilala. Dito ka muna, tuloy ka sa amin, ilang araw, and then meron ulit, iba kami makakausap, ganun ulit. Until, siguro 2 months yung dumaan, I heard from Mark, he's from the company of Kule Desma. And that's how...
Doon kayo nagtagpo
Oo.
ni Kule Desma,
Yes.
who was responsible doon sa yung pagpasok sa unang rehabilitation
Yeah.
center.
And that was like, I couldn't believe it that it was cool kasi we became best friends like 20-something years back when I first became born-again Christian. So she remembered that friendship and decided like, okay, I'll help her out. You know, no one's there. And she did. And that's how I got in Rehab 1 because of Ku.
Anong nangyari doon sa Rehab 1?
Hindi ko pa noon nare-realize, wala pa akong realization about my life na it's destroyed. Ang talagang pakay ko lang doon is magpahinga, paglabas, tira ulit. Ganon. Pero hindi ko pa alam yon. Hindi ko pa alam na yun yung mindset
This
ko.
is in hindsight. You're
Yeah.
able to connect the dots
Yeah.
now. Oo.
Pero when I went into Rehab 1, I didn't have any future or foreseeing, and I didn't have any
Walang
of
plano.
that. Basta I was just there. It's Bible-based, so there's a lot of Bible studies, there's a lot of reflection time, there's a lot of retreat moments, ganyan. So parang ini-enjoy ko lang na at least I'm not hungry anymore on the streets. At least I'm not on the verge of suicide anymore. And at least here, I'm
Hindi ka
feeding...
mag-isa.
Oo, I'm not alone. I'm feeding my head with God's Word. And Ku is there. Na, with her daughter also, Isabella. They've been a great team that were trying to help me. But in all honesty, nahirapan silang dalawa with me. It wasn't easy for them because I was still entitled and hard-headed. I was still like, they were giving me their hand and I wanted their arm and I wanted their head. And, pero, because Ku has been, you know, like a Christian for longer than I am, ang lawak ng pag-intindi niya ang lawak ng pangunawa niya. So, even in the end, kahit nagkaroon kami ng misunderstanding, hindi nagtagal, nagbati din kami. And then parang inano niya na muna ako, parang hinayaan niya rin muna ako to figure it out.
You left the rehab.
When I left for Rehab 1, I had an outpatient program in Hacienda. I lived with her.
Oh.
Yeah, I did for like 2 or 3 months more. But then after that, I saw my partner again.
At nagsimula muli.
Nagsimula uli. Hindi niya, alam mo sa totoo, hindi niya kasalanan eh.
Oh.
It's not his fault. Pero pareho kaming ganun ang ginagawa. So kung isa sa amin ay gustong lumayo na sa droga or gusto nang mag-recover, pero yung isa,
Hindi pa.
it's not gonna work. Kasi syempre, ano din ako addict nga din ako I have addiction. So, it might not be now or next month or ano, but eventually, it can make me use again. Parang ganon.
Oo. How did it affect your friendship with Ku? Nagkaroon kayo ng misunderstanding? Was she disappointed dahil
She was
was
sad. She was sad. Kasi
She was
nga,
sad.
sabi niya,
wonderful human being. I mean, she's a friend.
Yeah, sabi niya, you already know what happened to you living that life.
Bakit mo pa?
Why do you have to repeat? Ganyan.